EDO 2020. Ogieneni of Uzairue don honor Obaseki and him deputy with Chieftaincy title, and he declared support to Obaseki re-election. Ogieneni of Uzairue, His Royal Highness Alhaji Kadiri Monike Omogbai IV don knack Governor Godwin Obaseki with honor Shorena of Uzairue Chieftaincy title. This title mean person wey God crown. The Ogieneni still give Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu Oshozeki Chieftaincy title. It mean person wey God choose. As the traditional ruler dey talk for the ceremony wey he for make Obaseki and Shaibu chiefs, he tell Obaseki say him deputy governor come from him palace and na him son. He still talk say Obaseki don do plenty ogbonge things for Edo state since he become governor of the state. He tell am say good people dey around am and say Uzairue people go give am 100% vote.
My son was my best friend until 19, my best friend. Then Chief and Lovely is a family friend. The reason I'm saying this is that black people are they are my family, and I promise Uzairue people to give me 100%.
On top road construction, the Ogieneni of Uzairue can tell Obaseki to do more for him people.
Like the Uzairue market in your next government is very bad. I want your government to upgrade the market to modern market. I'm not a twist, but I will always ask for more. In terms of road, I would like you to do more for my people, Uzairue people. We like your government. I won't lie. The way you do your things, I like it. You must not share money. But your good deed will speak for you.
Obaseki can't thank the king for the ogbonge way where he take put body on top the fight against coronavirus disease for the community. He talks say this election wey go soon shele so na the first of a kind, as he be say na the first election wey they want do since coronavirus disease enter the country, na him be this. The way can see governor tell the Ogieneni say Philip Shaibu wey be in deputy na the traditional ruler's son and he dey help him administration well. He talks say them come the king palace to seek him prayers and support for their re-election.
We are here this morning to seek your prayers as usual, seek your royal blessings, and to help us ensure that there is peace and there continues to be peace in the land. For us, the most important thing in this election is to make sure that we do not have violence. This is a contestation. We are going to people to ask them to give us their mandates. So we will not be party to anything that will hurt or injure our people. I want to thank you for receiving us this morning, and also to ask you to thank the son, my deputy, for his unparalleled loyalty and support to me in this administration. There is no doubt in my mind that he is a true Uzairue son, a true warrior, and he has displayed all the values of a real Uzairue man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait and see. Wait and see. Are they surprised? Yes, sir. Who declared too soon? Otola. He said the Uzairue will give you 100%. Yes, sir. Oh.
This one are the ogbonge informator who carry come give una on top inside Edo today, as the Ogieneni of Uzairue don't make Governor Godwin Obaseki and him deputy Philip Shaibu chiefs of Uzairue community. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Na im carry this ogbonge update come give una. My name na Edogogo Edolegi.
It's a joint ticket. They don't give one and leave the other one.